Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll walk through creating your personal vehicle maintenance log in AIRTABLE, the 2025 version. Keeping track of your vehicle's maintenance schedule is crucial for its longevity and your safety, and AIRTABLE is a great tool to help with that. Let's jump right in. The first step is to create a new base in AIRTABLE. This will serve as the foundation for your maintenance log. Now, you might be wondering, why a new base? Well, it helps us keep all the maintenance-related data in one place, making it easy to manage and reference. Now that we've done that, our next step is to create different tables for each vehicle you own. This might seem like an extra step, but it helps us because each vehicle will have its own unique maintenance schedule and needs. In these tables, we need to create fields for the date of maintenance, type of maintenance, cost, and any notes you might want to add. The reason we do this is to have a clear record of what maintenance has been done, when, and at what cost. This helps us track expenses and anticipate future maintenance needs. Next up, let's talk about linking records. You can link the maintenance records with the parts replaced or serviced. This might sound a bit technical, but here's what's happening behind the scenes. By linking records, you can quickly see what parts were involved in a particular maintenance service. This is especially useful when you're dealing with multiple vehicles. The final step is to set up reminders. You can do this by creating a formula field that alerts you when the next maintenance is due based on the vehicle's mileage or time since the last service. This is an essential step as it ensures you won't miss any important maintenance tasks, keeping your vehicle in top shape. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a comprehensive, easy-to-use vehicle maintenance log in AIRTABLE. This log will not only help you keep track of your vehicle's maintenance needs, but also help you plan and budget for future services. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.